Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to book your English classes with me, how this plan works, and how to use the enrollment form. And because I was receiving a lot of queries from different students, and after this video, you'll have complete clarity and won't be confused about anything. There are different sections on this website: home, about, class policy, reviews, etc. But I specifically want you to focus on three sections: class policy, select plan, and the enrollment form, which I will come back to after a few minutes. First of all, let's go to class policy. I want you to thoroughly go through this class policy so that you don't have any doubt in your mind. If you look at class policy, you'll understand how you can reschedule your classes. Okay. Rescheduling policy is given here. If you are not able to attend the class, you have to inform in advance. That way, the session will not be counted and it can be rescheduled, right? And if you have already informed, no deduction will be made for missed sessions. Okay. And the course validity is fixed. If it is a 1 month plan, you have to complete it within 30 days of the start date. If it is a 3 month plan and you have not paused the plan, and I will talk about pausing option also, you have to complete it within 90 days of the start date. And if it is a 6 month plan, you have to complete it within 180 days of the start date. And with 3 month and 6 month plan, I'm also providing 5 bonus sections. So in a way, if it is a 90 days plan, it will be completed in 95 days. And similarly, if it is 180 days plan, it will be completed in 185 days. And there is no extension policy. If the validity period has expired, remaining sessions will expire. And there is no carry forward policy. I have created this specific class policy to make sure every student, gets the right class, every student gets the right treatment when it comes to classes. And the second section that I want you to focus on is the plan section. So when you're selecting your plans, try to understand that each plan will have different benefits. Okay. If it is a 1 month plan, if you go with 1 month plan, you will have 20 live coaching classes. You will be provided with class notes, and on weekly basis, you will be provided with some assessment worksheets, and you will get feedback via email. If it is a 3 month plan, if you opt for 3 month plan, there'll be 60 live coaching sessions. And as I told you in the rescheduling policy, in the class policy as well, you will also get 5 bonus practice sessions. You will get class notes, and you will also get monthly worksheets for assessment. And you have the option to pause the plan for 1 week. And I'll tell you why I have kept the pause option for these plans. If you select 6 month plan, there'll be 120 live classes and there'll be 5 bonus practice sessions. You will get class notes. You will again get, monthly milestone review, mini assessment sheets. But at the same time, you will also get weekly linguistic upgrade mail where you will learn something new every week. I'll send you an email, and you will have lifetime access to learning resources. I'll share the link in the welcome email once you enroll in the course. And you will have the option to pause for 15 days, right? Now, many of the students have this had this question in mind, like, what is this pause plan, right? So I really want to clarify that as well. See, usually what happens if something unexpected comes up and you're not able to attend the classes for a while, most plans keep running and the expiry date doesn't stop. So the remaining classes usually get wasted, right? You were not able to, let's say, attend the classes for 10-15 days, and your expiry date has approached, the classes will go waste. So in my system, you don't have to lose your sessions. If you know that something urgent has come up, you can pause the plan for either 7 days if you go for 3 month plan, or you can pause it for 15 days if you go for 6 month plan. Okay? And as you pause the plan, I'll extend your expiry date accordingly. Okay? This way your classes will stay safe and you can continue from where you left off, right? That being said, once you have gone through these class policies and select plan selection page, you can click on enroll now. And remember that once you click on enroll now, it doesn't mean that you have enrolled in the course. You will be considered enrolled only after the payment has been done. Enroll now is necessary to actually get the information regarding, your goals, what you want to focus on during the classes, and also it helps me schedule your classes accordingly, right? And once you have selected the plan, you have to click on enroll now. You can go through the information given in the pages, and let me also show you how you will actually uh, how the how this specific enrollment page will look like. What is the information that will be asked from you? Okay, let me just go to the student information form. So once you click on enroll section, enroll form, you will have to fill in your email ID. You will have to fill in your full name. Your age is optional. You can fill in. If you don't want to share your age, you don't have to. You can share your profession and occupation. It will help me, customize the plan. It will help me customize the lessons. Sorry, not the plan. It will help me customize the lesson actually. But again, it's optional. You can share your city and country. It's an optional. It is also an optional process. And then you have to share your WhatsApp number, which is mandatory. And after that, I would love to understand your learning preferences. When it comes to learning preferences, you have to specifically mention the preferred start date. When do you want to start the classes, right? And then you also need to give me preferred class time. This is very important because we want to have a stable schedule for all students, right? You have to write the exact time you can attend class, and once you have chosen the plan, 1 month, 3 month, or 6 month plan, you need to confirm the frequency of classes. Do you want to attend classes five times a week, 6 times a week, 7 times a week? And each class will be 30-minute long, right? You can check the frequency option, and you can decide. If you're not available for everyday classes, you can go for 5, 6, or 7 days, right? And then you are supposed to provide your learning goals. What is your main focus? Do you want to focus on fluency, grammar? This will also help me customize your lesson plan. Okay. And then if you feel like, so you have to select an option from main learning goals. And if you feel like you want to provide extra information, if you feel like this is not enough, you can provide your learning goals in detail as well, right? And you can also provide some specific challenges that you face when it comes to, English speaking or English learning. And if you want to focus on one specific area, you can also provide that here. And then in acknowledgement, you just need to, I just want to make sure that you have already gone through the class policy. So you have to check these two boxes. Once you do that, you can click on the submit option, and your information will be saved in my database. And based on that, we can proceed with next step, which is the payment. And once you have made the payment, you will receive a welcome email. This email will specifically have the plan outlined, the plan you have selected, plan validity, total number of classes, and it will also have the class link you will use every day to join the class. Okay, and this mail will also uh, have any bonus features you're entitled to. So everything will be explained, clearly in the mail, so you don't have to guess anything. So this is it. I hope this video gives you full clarity about booking classes, choosing your plan, and getting started smoothly. If you still have any doubts, uh, you can always contact, and you can always post comment in the comment section below this video, and I can answer. Okay. All right then. Looking forward to helping you grow in your English journey.